writing style inspiring. Hey there, I'm passionate about travel, and today I want to share with you my top 10 must-read authors that every travel writing student should explore. These authors have the power to transport you around the world with just their words. So grab your notepad because you're about to get a masterclass in captivating travel narratives. First on the list is Bill Bryson. Known for his witty and engaging prose, Bryson's A Walk in the Woods will not only make you laugh out loud, but also deeply appreciate the natural world. Next, we have Pico Iyer. If you're looking to dive deep into the philosophy of travel, Iyer's The Art of Stillness explores the inner journey travel can incite in all of us. Don't forget Paul Theroux. His classic, The Great Railway Bazaar, is a must for understanding the mesh of personal experience and cultural exploration, offering a window into the soul of various landscapes and communities. Coming up fourth, Elizabeth Gilbert in Eat, Pray, Love. Gilbert masterfully intertwines personal transformation with vivid descriptions of Italy, India, and Indonesia. Her narrative is a perfect blend of introspection and external adventure. Number 5 is Bruce Chatwin. His seminal work, In Patagonia, will show you how to blend history, folklore, and personal anecdotes into a seamless narrative that feels both intimate and expansive. Sixth is V.S. Naipaul. His A Bend in the River is not just a travel book, it's a profound exploration of post-colonial identity through the lens of travel. Seventh on our journey is Jan Morris. Her detailed city portraits, especially in Venice, are lyrical and evocative, painting vivid pictures of urban landscapes. Eighth, we have Peter Matthiessen. In The Snow Leopard, Matthiessen combines spiritual quest with a travel adventure, offering insights that are as profound as the landscapes he traverses. Ninth, let's talk about Alexandra David Neal. Her daring travels in My Journey to Lhasa offer not just a physical journey, but also an incredible narrative of persistence and discovery. Finally, rounding out our list is Rolf Potts. His Vagabonding takes a modern look at long-term world travel and the personal freedom it can bring. Each of these authors offers a unique lens through which the world can be seen and understood. Their stories are more than just travelogues, they are portals to new perspectives and inspirations. Whether you're a budding writer or just a lover of good stories, these authors are sure to expand your horizons. So, what are you waiting for? Pick up one of these books and let your journey begin.